Today I am going to discuss with you the chapter, some main points, the adventure. So students, yesterday we have discussed the chapter and now there are some highlights, some main points of the chapter is Professor Gaitonde had a collision with a truck. At that time, he was thinking of the catastrophe theory and its implication for history. He found himself in another Bombay which looked more like England, as it was much cleaner and had many big English shops. The East India Company was flourishing there. In this Bombay, he went to Asiatic Society Library in the town hall to read some history books, including the ones he had himself written. Most of the history was as he knew it in his world. But the point where the history had changed was the third battle of Panipat. In this different world, the Marathas had won this battle. The Marathas did not allow the East India Company to expand its influence in India. In fact, its influence was limited to few places like Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. India had become a democracy but allowed the British to carry on in Bombay for commercial reasons. Gaitonde wanted to find out how the Marathas had won the battle. According to one history books in the library, the Marathas army's morale was boosted when Vishwas Rao managed to escape death narrowly. After leaving the library in the evening, he went for a stroll to Azad Maidan. There was a lecture going on when Gaitonde saw a vacant presidential chair on the stage. He went and sat on it, thinking that it was for him, because in the real world he had been invited for such a seminar. But in this world, people were fed up of long speeches and had abolished the cheering custom. They got angry because Gaitonde would not stop talking. They threw various things at him and then got onto the stage to throw him out. But suddenly Gaitonde vanished. He was found in the Azad Maidan in his own familiar world. Where had he been for 2 days? He went back to Pune and showed Rajendra Deshpande the proof that he had been somewhere else and was not imagining things. It was the Vishwas Rao escaping death. In the book, in his own world, the account was given as Vishwas Rao being hit by a bullet and dying. So in our world, the Marathas had not won. The East India Company had flourished and so on. Through discussions, Professor Gaitonde and Rajendra Deshpande came to the conclusion that there could be many different worlds at different points of time. They could all have a different history. Professor Gayatunde had been to another world. The time was the present, but its history was quite different. Okay, the students, yesterday I told you about the story. If you feel any kind of doubt, you can ask me through call. You can make a call to me and I will better explain that where you feel difficulty. The story is a science fiction and it is now clearly told about explain the catastrophe theory of the mathematics, and where any variable values is changed, so then the whole answer is there is a changes. Okay, Marathas although lost the battle, third battle of Panipat, which actually took place in 1761, but in the because Mr. Gangadhar Gayatunde was going to give the 1000 lectures on the topic. It was the Marathas who had won the battle. And what would happen? So actually that paper, okay, just was he had in his pocket, but a truck actually collided with him, and due to a shock, he actually just went into coma, and then for hours actually he was been in the coma, and in during that period of the coma, he actually start to visualize himself and in the different parallel world where the history is totally changed, and it was the Marathas who won the battle, and then he found that the country was quite prosperous, strong, okay, and he started to visualize the things, but at last in the when he was at the Azad Maidan, and there was a commotion. People start to throw eggs, tomatoes over him, and he was being pushed away from the stage, and immediately he got into the sense, and he asked it to Rajendra Deshpande, who is a mathematician, and Mr. Rajendra Deshpande told that he was not in another world. Okay, he was actually start to think the parallel world, because he was going to give the lectures on the history, and this is why he start to visualize the parallel world. It is just his thinking, and he also told that there are many parallel worlds, and he was only in the present time, not in the future or not in the past. He was only in the present, and the mind can think different things. The same way Mr. Gangadhar Pant Gayatunde, he started to visualize the another world, and he was only in the present, because he was liking to give the speech on the topic what would happen if Marathas had won the battle in 1761. As he was thinking, he was going to speak on that topic, and therefore he was thinking about it. Therefore, when the truck was collided with him, so then he was just keep on thinking on that. So he visualized the same thing on which he was going to speak. And there is a lack of quantum theory and a lack of determinism in the quantum theory of the physics and chemistry. You know it very well. Just around a nucleus, the electrons actually moves. Okay, when they lost the energy, they changed, shifted their energy levels, and the same way this Mr. Gayatunde start to think something, another world, visualize the another parallel world, because he was in the present but start think, because he actually was collided with the truck, है ना. It is just happen with the same way as you must have read in class ninth and in class 11th chemistry, कि just around the nucleus the electrons actually moves, है ना, in different energy levels, which is called KLMN energy levels. Okay, so if they have the energy, they actually get the energy, so then they shift to their energy levels, energy cells, that is also known. Okay, so now when, if any bullet is fired from a pistol and it can fall here, there, anywhere, okay, and it will hit the target and sometimes miss the target, but it has the mass bullet. Okay, but on the same time electron is very light, very micro, and there, if it is being fired from a gun, so it can fall anywhere, है ना, here, there, anywhere. Okay, so the same way our mind can visualize, है ना, different world on at different time intervals. So this is all about the story. Here are some meanings, children. You can see, है ना, Ghat section of railway track in the western Ghats, that is the hilly region. Landscape painting of a countryside or rural scenery. Roared through, यानी pass through. Racing, fast thinking. State of affairs, situation. Sarhad, border town. Anglo-Indian and Indian of English descent or mixed English and Indian parentage. Ventured, dared to ask. Central, Bombay Central Railway Station. Been wound up, stopped its operations. Blow, setback, volume, book in a series of books. Blow by blow account, detailed description. Morale booster, event that improved their confidence and raised their morale. From the sidelines but not taking part in it. Relegated to means assigned to a lower rank or position. Political acumen, political shrewdness with keen insight. Pockets, areas, puppets, actually under control of another, de facto existing. Astute, marked by practical intelligence. Shahenshah, ruler. Rubber stamp, formally approved. Doctored accounts, narratives, changes so as to deceive. Alter his heart to his liking. Throng, crowd, pandal, temporary structures. Gave vent to express his feelings and ideas. Valiantly, courageously, dumbfounded, greatly surprised. So students, you can see trajectory, path, proceeded, carried on, speculating, guessing, ignoramus, ignorant, definitely, finally with authority, takes issue, disagree, catastrophic sudden happening causing damage and or suffering, food for thought, something that requires serious consideration, Bakhar, form of historical narratives written in Marathi prose, smugly with a self-satisfied look. Student, now I come to the question and answers of the story, and the question and answer of the story is the first question. Take these statements that are true. The story is an account of real events. The story hinges on a particular historical event. Rajendra Deshpande was a historian. The places mentioned in the story are all imaginary. The story tries to relate history to science. So the answer is this. Only statement 2 and 5 are true. The other statements are false. The second statement, the story hinges on a particular historical event, and the other statements are number 5 statement, the story tries to relate history to science. Next question. Briefly explain the following statement from the text. You neither traveled to the past nor the future. You were in the present experiencing a different world. This statement was made by Rajendra Deshpande to Professor Gayatunde and meant that Gayatunde had made a transition from one world to another and has come back again. Thus, he was able to experience two worlds, but only one at a time. He did not travel either to the past or the future. He was in the present, experiencing another world for 2 days. Next question. You have passed through a fantastic experience, or more correctly, a catastrophic experience. This statement was made by Rajendra Deshpande to Professor Gayatunde and meant that Gayatunde had passed through a strange experience of living successively in two worlds, one in which he was now and the other in which he had spent 2 days. Gangadhar Pant could not help comparing the country he knew with what he was witnessing around him. Professor Gayatunde knew that India, in which the power of the Peshwa declined and the British colonized the country, but the India he had seen during the 2 days was completely different. This country had not been colonized by the British. Instead, it was self-dependent and enjoyed self-respect. He compared the two states of the country with each other. Question number 5. The lack of determinism in quantum theory. This means that if a bullet is fired from a gun in a given direction at a given speed, one will know where it will be at any time after this. But such an assertion cannot be made for an electron, where quantum theory applies. When an electron is fired from a source, it may be here, there, or anywhere else. This is called lack of determinism in quantum theory. This theory asserts that reality is never one-sided. Alternative worlds may exist at the same time. Next question. You need some interaction to cause a transition. Professor Gayatunde made a transition which, according to Rajendra Deshpande, had happened because the interaction happening in the professor's mind at the time of his collision. When the collision took place, Gaitunde was thinking about the catastrophe theory and its role in wars. He was probably wondering about the Third Battle of Panipat and its consequences. The interaction in his brain acted as a trigger to cause a transition. तो बच्चों, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इन ग्रुप्स ऑफ टू पेयर्स, ईच पेयर इन ए ग्रुप टेकिंग अपोजिट पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू. अ सिंगल इवेंट में चेंज द कोर्स ऑफ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ए नेशन. तो बच्चों, दिस यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ. A single event may change the course of the history of a nation. See कि if Marathas won the war in 1761, then whole the history would have been changed, because country actually would have been a very rich country, very strong country, very healthy country, prosperous country. But these aggressors, whether it is from Uzbekistan, Arabian countries, or any other countries, if could not spread their feet in India, so India might have a strong country. But due to our kingdoms, our different kingdoms, fought together. That's why they spread their wings in this country and they start causing so many problems to India. India became poor country, है ना. Otherwise it was a golden bird in the history. India was a golden bird. Okay, सोने की चिड़िया, golden bird it was known. But unfortunately so many aggressors from Uzbekistan, Arabian countries, है ना, from Britain, France, Portuguese, है ना, so many different, है ना, from other parts of the world came. They spread their religion. They caused numerical infinitely many deaths, है ना. Taimur Ilang, है ना, और Nadir Shah, है ना, Aurangzeb, all these killers, है ना, killed many thousands people, है ना. There is no limit of their killing and causing suffering to the people, है ना. So that you will read in the history, है ना. If they defeated, the things would have been different. Okay, but unfortunately, है ना, in India, है ना, different there's the India was at that time having many small kingdoms, and all the kingdoms actually fought together, and that's why this is all happened. You will read it in history, you search about it, and you will find it, and how peaceful country India was, है ना. वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, है ना. we always वही अतिथि देवो भाव, है ना. all these things, we welcome the guests. But these foreigners, these aggressors, है ना, in India we have we treated them kindly, and it was our big mistake. If Indian states did not treat them so well, they could not have come to India, है ना. If Muhammad bin Qasim, है ना, came attacked King Dahir Sindh, if he would not have come to this thing which we are now facing, है ना, so we would not see, because it is the mistake of our king's selfishness. The same process is going on at the present time, है ना. You see, Okay, now next question. The story is called The Adventure. Compare it with the adventure described in the We Are Not Afraid to Die. We are not afraid to die if we all be together. The underlying theme of both these stories, the adventure and we are not afraid to die, is same. However, the application of the theme to event is different in both. One deals with the adventure in a real life situation, and the other one is about the adventure that was mentally experienced. In the story We Are Not Afraid to Die, the character take a hazardous sea voyage, overcome the odds and survive whatever the dangers were. They were very real. In the story, the adventure, the protagonist Gayatunde does not embark upon an adventurous journey. His collision with the truck triggers his mind to travel to a world which is different from the world that he lives in. Why do you think Professor Gayatunde decided never to preside over meetings again? Professor Gayatunde had recently had a harrowing experience in the parallel world, which was contrary to the conventions in the normal world, where a lecture session always has a chairperson. In this experience, he was pelted with various objects because he tried to occupy the chairperson's chair, which he felt was rightly his. Due to this attack by the public, Gayatunde realized that such a speech would not be welcome at the seminar and so decided to never preside over such meetings again. In which language do you think Gangadhar Pant and Khan Sahib talked to each other? Which language did Gangadhar Pant use to talk to the English receptionist? Gangadhar Pant and Khan Sahib would have talked in Hindi or Hindustani, as both of them are educated and speaking fluently to each other. Gangadhar Pant must have used English to talk to the English receptionist. In which language do you think Baho Sahib Bachi Bakhar was written? Baho Sahib Bachi Bakhar was written in the Marathi language, as the words are Marathi words and Bakhar is a form of historical narrative written in Marathi prose. This mention of three communities in the story, the Marathas, the Mughals, the Anglo-Indians. Which language do you think they used within their communities and while speaking to the other groups? Within their communities, the Marathas would have spoken in Marathi, the Mughals in Urdu, and the Anglo-Indians in English. While speaking to the other groups, they would have used the services of the interpreters who were fluent in both languages to translate what was said into the language of the listener. Do you think that the rule always adopt the language of the other ruler? No, they do not, because a new language would be difficult to learn, especially if it is written in a different script. This is the case here, as Marathi, English and Urdu are written in different scripts. So students, with this I conclude this video. I think you must have enjoyed it, liked it, and please note it down, the question answer, and you please try to understand, analyze, and if difficulty comes, you can personally contact me. And with this I thank you very much. Have a happy learning.